Look at this picture. These Donald ducks are different, are not they? They are made of plants and flowers. My dear children, we all love flowers. Is not it? Yes, we all love flowers. Flowers are beautiful. Flowers are colorful. Let us know the names of some flowers. Lotus. It is the national flower of our country. Lotus, so beautiful flower. Sunflower. It is yellow in color and always faces towards the sun. So bright and attractive flower. Sunflower. Marigold. It blooms during winter. Marigold. So bright flower. Marigold. Shefali. It is also called Shiuli. It blooms during autumn. So bright and beautiful flower, isn't it? Shefali. Polash. Look at the bright red color. It blooms during the spring season. Polash. So beautiful flower. Lily. Lily also blooms during winter. Lily. And do you know the name of this flower? Yes, tulip. So beautiful flower, right? Tulip. And this is rose. It is our favorite flower, isn't it? Yes, we all love rose. It has sweet fragrance. Rose. Water lily. Like lotus, water lily also grows in water. Water lily. Can you recognize this flower? Yes, hibiscus. So beautiful flower, isn't it? Yes, hibiscus. Flowers are so beautiful. love nature and be happy.